Good afternoon, judges. Right now in Canada, we're facing a housing and infrastructure crisis. Projects are delayed, costs are rising, and critical infrastructure like the Gardiner Expressway is constantly under repair, causing massive disruption and economic loss. A major bottleneck behind all of this is inspection. Before anything gets built or repaired, it has to be inspected manually, which means workers climbing structures, shutting down roads, and spending hours collecting data. It's slow, expensive, and dangerous. So instead of sending people into risky environments, we send a drone. SafeSense uses a drone with a front end and rear end camera to capture live videos of infrastructure of homes, underneath bridges, roads, sidewalks, houses, roofs, would be dangerous in real time. But instead of processing every single frame, we intelligently sample key frames to reduce unnecessary computation while still capturing meaningful changes. Those frames are streamed to our system. Here, you can see both live feeds along with processed results. You can see that we have the various bounding boxes of holes in the specific brick wall outlined, as well as you can see how our Gemma AI assistant is able to summarize and give a full out report. I should note that we use Google Cloud Vision API to analyze each sample frame, identifying objects, labeling the scene, and determining the material being inspected, whether it's brick, concrete, or metal, or asphalt, or anything. Google Cloud Vision API is responsible for finding the material that is damaged. After that, to figure out where the damage is and to quantify it using pixel length and more, we use YOLO V8 segmentation to precisely detect structural damage, drawing bounding boxes around cracks, holes, and surface degradation, sometimes even counting the number of defects in the scene. So instead of just detecting something is wrong, we quantify the damage. But raw detections aren't enough. That's why we move it on to our AI assistant, Gemma. We pass all of the structured data we have collected, the material type, damage counts, location, context, material, everything, to Gemma. Gemma then generates a clear professional inspection report, including a summary, severity level, and recommended next steps. This transforms low level computer vision outputs into actionable insights. Now, instead of waiting for days for inspection reports, contractors and city officials can make decisions in seconds. In a country where delays cost millions, this matters. SafeSense reduces inspection time, lowers costs, and keeps workers out of dangerous environments. Because if we want to build faster and fix infrastructure before it fails, we need to rethink how we inspect. Thank you.